I was not able to get your name, Iha. Pasensya na. And then thank you very much to all the barangay officials, and most especially to our senior citizens. Every time I see each and every one of you, nakitak ni Mr. Umali Dita, my father, kadmanan ni father ko, J. Bingay, J. Tinungdan. We stayed in Tinungdan for 17 years. And then, pero tamo nga na tayo ni father ko, hindi na ho niya alam pala. My mother is already 95 years old. So, just would like to express the real essence of Christmas today. And that is about caring and about loving and about sharing. And I would like to emphasize the three words that actually gives essence to this Christmas 2024, and this is actually what we are promoting right now. And these three words are actually faith, hope, and love. Ulitin ko, faith, hope, and love. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Happy Barangay Fiesta.